Good evening, everyone. My name is Jacob Folger. I'm an artist, sculptor, and today we're going to do a abstract tree art piece. We're going to be using this watercolor paper. This is 140 pound, right there. It's very kind of inexpensive, but it's very nice to work on. I really like it. So we'll open that up. Get a sheet. Not that. It'll be a very simple project here. Now you can tape your paper to the table, but I was painting earlier and it didn't work out too well. So I'm not gonna tape it. I'm just gonna lay it on the table. I'm gonna be using Utrecht Studio Series Acrylic Deep Black, and that's gonna be the starting place. And I'm gonna get the paper a little bit wet, put the paint right on the paper, and put my lid back on, put the lid back on, and then I'm going to move it around and just paint it. Work it into all the details. Like that. And then just go back and forth and just kind of smooth it out. Like that. Just like that. And then clean your brush. And we'll come back in a moment. And we're going to be using, this is GAC 100 made by Golden. And it's an acrylic primer and extender. I use this a lot. It's a lovely product. We're going to put it in a plate. Just open it up. Squirt them in. Okay. And we're going to be using well, let's go to the rest of the price. We're going to be using Pearl X Pigments Antique Bronze. You can find this at most art supply stores. You can search it online. And we're also going to be using Acrylic Pigments Reflex Violet. Okay? And what I do is I just put that in a lid like that. And like that. I'm going to be using this brush. It's kind of soft but firm. It's a nice soft brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my brush a little bit wet with the GAC 100, like this, and I'm going to put it right into the purple, like that, and get it on my brush, and I'm going to just paint it on. It goes on very smoothly. I'll pick up a little bit more from the plate. Kind of flowing up. More. like that. And then, make sure I get good coverage on there. I'm going to get a little bit more on my brush. Get the more of the purple here. And I'm going to put, I'm creating a little landscape here. So I need a moon. It's kind of a stylized moon, but that's okay. And then I'm going to clean my brush. You can use a paper towel to just wipe your brush like that. I'm going to get a little bit of a polymer on my brush. Just kind of work it into the bristles like that. And I'm going to get a little bit of bronze just on the brush like that. Just creating kind of an abstract tree. Get a little bit more GAC 100 on my brush. Like that. Put there. Like that. And you see how that was very easy, and it's a very pretty little painting. So that will take maybe a half hour to dry. Then you can put your signature on it and hang it up, put a frame on it, hang it up, and it's a beautiful little painting. Very easy, very, you can see it's very easy, just relax with it. Don't be afraid of it. Just, a lot of people watch these videos and they never really try to do it, but really, it's very easy to do. Everything is easily accessible. You can get black paint and pearlescent pigments and the GAC 100 very easily. So that's what you do. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. And I do be doing more and more painting videos. Please give the video a like. Leave me a comment. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment. I'll try to reply. And you can send my email address is in the About section on my channel. And you can email me with pictures of what you make and tell me your story and that sort of thing. So that's about it. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.